To safeguard your home, you may consider constructing walls and a gate using a unique and visually appealing option known as gabion. This design draws inspiration from the bygone era of chivalry and will make you feel like a castle proprietor. The process involves constructing a metal frame and filling it with stones or earth. Gabions have been in use since the 16th century and are well known to military history enthusiasts. The metal frame is easily transportable, and the stones and earth can be obtained from the building site. The modern-day manufacturer claims that their gabions are effective in blocking noise and dust, making it ideal for installation in mountainous or hilly regions. The cost for a 1.6-foot square block is approximately $13. A revolutionary achievement in polish engineering and a historic turning point in the construction industry after over a century has been introduced. The presentation begins with highlighting this groundbreaking product, which consists of patented blocks that do not require any binding agents like cement to join them together. Simply stack them like Lego bricks, without the need for skilled labor or being limited by weather conditions. All that is required is a standard spade. Each block has dimensions of approximately 30 x 14 x 12 inches and weighs 70.5 pounds. There are 21 variations available, made from pearlite rock, a volcanic origin material. The manufacturer claims that the use of these blocks can significantly cut down the construction time and reduce waste, saving over $3,000 typically spent on waste during the construction of a house. The German builders have launched a new project that combines the use of natural stone with a unique drainage system. The base of the structure consists of a concrete slab that has a slope of 1.5 to 2%, which is crucial for effective water draining. Over the slab, a waterproofing membrane is placed, featuring plastic rings filled with a special mixture. The final layer features slabs of natural stone. This type of arrangement can be used for various purposes, such as terraces, balconies, and planting areas. However, there are differing opinions about the drainage solution. Some defend its use while others argue that it is too costly and not very effective. This is a great option for those looking to enhance their outdoor space. By using a combination of small stones and a special resin, like binder, a seamless surface can be created on nearly any surface. One expert project was a 6,727 square foot area, with a cost of $11 per square foot for a pre-prepared site and $171.5 for starting from scratch. The resulting coating is permeable, with a thickness of 0.7 inches, capable of supporting the weight of a vehicle and presenting a visually appealing appearance. The company offers over 30 color options, and the material can be easily installed by the user. This imposing machine, equipped with a fitting name, plays a crucial role in concrete work. Whether it's constructing barriers or creating smooth surfaces, this machine can get the job done with ease. With a maximum height of 8 feet and a paving width of 12.1 feet, which is wider than a typical road lane in Western Europe, the machine is capable of handling large projects. Thanks to its 3D control and GPS support, the machine operates with precision and accuracy. In the unlikely event of any issues, there are 8 emergency stop buttons for added safety. Powered by a 220 horsepower Cummins diesel engine, the machine is both powerful and easy to operate. The developers have designed it with the operator in mind, making the machine user-friendly. For instance, all tracks can be moved to a new position with just one button, and the control panel is also movable. This sealing system is ideal for repairing existing lines and laying new ones with just 2 components, sealant and thermoplastic sleeves. The sleeves provide a convenient way to split cables and pipes, as well as create a bearing surface. The applied sealant remains elastic, allowing for slight movement of cables and pipes, while also maintaining its properties. The system can be installed at any angle and offers some vibration absorption, even in temperatures ranging from -58 to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, there is a program available to calculate the necessary materials and track their usage. The manufacturer of Ecotermix promises to provide thermal insulation without incurring excessive costs. This spray-on product is resistant to moisture and can be used for both indoor and outdoor applications. Upon application to a surface, the composition expands 40 to 100 times, effectively filling in joints, gaps, and cavities, including those that are difficult to reach, to the extent of 90% of the volume. The remaining 10% is composed of a polymer frame, which also provides sound insulation with a density of up to 3.8 pounds per cubic foot. The use of a vapor barrier is not necessary, making it a convenient option. This lighting system utilizes the sun as its source of light. It features tunnels that direct sunlight to various spaces, ranging from a house pantry to a shopping mall hall. Each tunnel has a coverage area of up to 807.3 square feet. The system can be installed on both flat and pitched roofs if necessary, and it is bendable at 30 degrees and 90 degrees. The manufacturer claims that sunlight provides a more comfortable atmosphere compared to artificial light and can help save money. In the case of large areas, it also helps to reduce heat loss. The system is expected to pay for itself within 4 to 5 years, and its simple design allows it to seamlessly blend into any environment. With a budget of $3 billion, one can construct a high-speed railway like the one in Germany. This 76.4-mile-long railway features 35 railway bridges, 39 highway bridges, and a 4-mile-long viaduct, the longest in Europe. The project's success was evident with the completion of the work, allowing travelers to reach Leipzig in just 43 minutes and Halle in 34 minutes via the train, traveling at a speed of 186 miles per hour, only slightly slower than Japan's well-known bullet trains. Here's an interesting fact. The world's longest staircase boasts 11,674 steps and reaches a height of 5,476 feet, located in Switzerland. The ascent offers breathtaking views of the stunning Alps and several lakes. Luckily, building staircases is easier these days, thanks to advancements like adjustable formwork. With this technology, building a staircase with a platform is made simple and can be tailored to fit any specific project's needs. Plus, heating and vibration systems can be added as needed, while automatic incline correction guarantees accuracy in both vertical and horizontal concrete placement. A manufacturer of artificial stones presents a smart solution that is cost-effective, environmentally friendly, and offers a wide range of benefits. The process begins by selecting natural stones, which are then used to create molds of high quality, capable of reproducing the finest details of the original stones with the help of stonemasons from Italy and Turkey. The use of modern technology allows for flexibility in size, with thicknesses ranging from 0.4 to 2.8 inches. The resulting artificial stones are more affordable than natural stones, easy to transport, and the standard collection offers over 161.5 square feet of unique stones and options for floor repairs or finishing touches. Additionally, small stones from the Smart Stone Chip series are available. Expansion joints on road bridges are sealed with a material composed of acrylic impregnated cellular foam and silicone. This material is ideal when traditional methods are not appropriate due to temperature fluctuations. It functions efficiently between temperatures of 185 and -40 degrees Fahrenheit, exhibiting minimal wear and tear and lasting for approximately 2,000 hours without any defacement. The seal is not only waterproof, but also resistant to fuel and oil. Although it may temporarily expand, it returns to its original size once the chemicals have evaporated. The material can accommodate ships within a range of 50% of the nominal size and is straightforward to install. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next video.